Pharma manufacturer job. The practical work done by students during college time and at the factories is totally different. Factories have large and complex machines to make medicines. Automation has taken place in pharma industry. All the tablets, liquid dosage forms have minimal human contact. A large number of tablets are manufactured in single day. In pharma industries, the work is done in 2 shifts. Some have morning shift and some have night shift. Work time is generally 9 to 10 hours a day. In pharma manufacturing, starting salary is 12,000 per month. But later on this salary increases rapidly. For getting a job promotion, candidate should need a master's degree in pharmacy. The master people have an edge over bachelor's people. In pharma industry, people with M.Pharm have more salary than with only bachelors. Advantages of pharma manufacturing job. 1. Core pharmacy job. 2. Salary is good after 10-year experience. 3. No tension job. Disadvantages of pharma manufacturing job. 1. Long working hours and long-standing job. 2. Pharma factories are mostly in village areas, so, if you have done b.pharmacy in a metro city, you'll have to compromise